what is up? It is Stanley Magic here, and in today's episode I'm going to be teaching you how to install an Android emulator onto your computer so you can play any Android game on your computer for free. Now this does work on Windows and Mac, so I'm going to be heading onto my Mac screen in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm on my computer screen. So basically what you want to search up is BlueStacks.com. Now you do have an option of all different languages. There's Portuguese, Italian, Korean, Indonesian, Spanish, Thai, Vietnamese, Russian, French, Japanese, Dutch, German and Chinese. I'm going with English. So basically you can scroll down this page. If you have a Mac, it will say download for Mac. If you have a PC, Windows PC, then it should say download for Windows. So it detects that I have a Mac, so it's going to say download for Mac. If you scroll down, it shows you some of the games. Over there, of course, you can see Marvel Contest of Champions. So I will be doing some gameplay on that as well. I have got a series going on my iOS, so you can check that out. Over here, play more, gaming on a mobile device draining your battery, play a message as long as you want while keeping your phone at 100%. So it's basically just like, it's basically not even mirroring, it's just a whole Android device application. So basically, you just download, and it should download for you, and then after processes after everything finishes, over here I'll block out a lot of things, but after the download and everything you should get this after the installation. I'll double tap that, and as I said, I will block out a lot of things, and you can just make that bigger. Alright, and now once you open it after you've installed it, the application, you can put that wherever you want, You can put it on your desktop, you can put it in your downloads, anywhere. But when you open it, this is what you're going to be greeted to. Welcome to BlueStacks. By clicking continue, I accept the terms. BlueStack runs best with the following enabled. You need the App Store access so you can download apps that you play, and you need the application communications. Now it's going to install. Now this is going to happen every time, so I'm just going to type in my password for my computer. Right. So basically you can play any Android game. It's really like an Android. Like on Marvel Contest of Champions, I have like the Google Play only exclusive offer right on my account. So this is what's going to happen. It will redirect you back to this app. And as I said, I will block out everything on my desktop, but it should almost finish installing. Really, it's just loading the program up. It's not really installing. Now, you are going to need to have a Google Play account or a Gmail account to actually do this. It's pretty straightforward. It just asks you. You can create one, or if you have a Gmail account, you can do one. I just had a Google Play account because I do have an Android, my old Android. So yeah, I've got that. So I have my Google Play account. So I just use that and it works perfectly. But you're going to get this. It's going to say starting BlueStacks, and this is what it's going to pop up with if you're returning on it. Now, you are going to need the Google Play games. This basically lets you update everything. Now this does look like a lower version of Marvel Contest Champions, but it isn't, and I'll get to that later. You can check all your apps that you have, and that's pretty much it, not much. We're going to camera over here. Or it just crashed, but you can basically go on that. To actually get games, what you want to do is you want to click search, and you can search any app. So let's say I want the Fallout Shelter. There it is, Fallout Shelter, and basically you want to click install. and then basically it's going to pop up with this, whatever app you have, in-app purchases if it does, device app history. This is basically all the things that it's going to have to include. But you want to just click accept, download using Wi-Fi, and it's going to start downloading as easy as that. It'll also come up with recommended, just like it would on the Google Play Store. So yeah, it's really great. I like it, and you can basically get all the paid and free apps. Well, if you want, you obviously have to buy for some that are paid, but otherwise it's all good. To actually buy a game, you have to do it through Google Play Store and your Google credit and everything. I don't do that. But yeah, so you install. But to go home, as I said, you want to click this button over here. So I do, you can, there we go, Fallout Shelter. You can, wow, Mortal Kombat X. I'll get that one. Of course. So, you can get many different games. You pretty much can get any game that's on Android. Whoa! A Japanese version of the game. We won't get into that. Alright, so basically, this is Contest Champions. I'm just going to open it. Now, sometimes it will say what, the different version, the older version is an app, but actually it's not, as you can see the background here. But basically, when you open a game, it's going to come up with the control chart, so the keys, and then the action. So the X is the middle attack, C is guard, like the block, B is to dodge, Z is small attack, and space is special attack. Alright, so as you can see, it does work as just a game. It will ask you to log into your Kabam account, and that's what I did, so I do get to play with my account. I do want to say that I actually got a 4-star. I got a 4-star. I'm sorry, I didn't record it, but I got a 4-star Magneto. He's epic. I really like him. But as you can see, somewhere over here. Somewhere here, if we go to store, I was advertising it. So the Holiday Crystal Bundle, and that is only for Google Play, it said somewhere. Okay, 3, 2, 1, now. There we go, Google Play exclusive. So you do get all those Google Play stuff. It's still fully working, everything. It's really amazing. I would highly recommend this program. You can basically do whatever you want on a massive screen for free. So yeah, it is so great. There is a membership, and basically after some time it's going to say you're not a member. But there's a way to bypass that. You can't get any more apps after that time. You can only play the apps you already have. But that's all totally cool. It's like $2.50 a month. Not that much. You can just go ahead and do that, whatever. So I'll just do one fight with you guys, just to show you how this is working. So it's great. Okay. Move over here, and then over there. Alright, ooh, a lot of people were low on health. My Magneto got smashed because I wasn't watching the screen. Put my device down and I went to go and do something. And I came back and Magneto died. So, yeah. So, alright, I've got this. I've got this. Right, let's do this. Oh no, I'm getting wrecked. There we go. Wait, which one's the block? There we go. Ah! Oh no. Ha! Oh, you can attack with your mouse. I never knew that. I think. No. Thank you on my yellow jacket. Yeah, you can attack with your mouse. No. Wet. 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 Alright. So that's pretty cool. You just have to get used to the controls and everything of tapping. Hey look, wearing my Marvel t-shirt. Perfect. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can do all that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you out, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Astounding episode. I just stuffed up my intro. I'll see you guys in my next video. Astounding Magic.